Hello, I'm Miss Young, and today we are going to be looking at the Alabama Department of Early Childhood Education. The website is children.alabama.gov. We're just going to be looking at a few things on the site so that you know what the options you have that are available. The first thing I would like to look at are the top headings. These are going to be your home, about, school readiness, family support, Head Start, early childhood development, resources, COVID-19, and your Alabama standards. I would also like to note the sweet pictures of the children that they have. Down here we have our monthly newsletter, and you have where they add new things. They're going to put those here. And more sweet pictures of our kids. And right here, you have your pre-registration for pre-K and some funding applications. These are great resources for you if you're looking for some help for pre-K for your children. Let's jump right in. On the about, that's going to be your typical about the department. Here's your mission statement. Just several different options if you're looking for something particular as far as learning about the department. You're going to be able to find those here. As we scroll back up to the top here, you're going to find your school readiness. This tab has several different options as far as pre-registration goes, assessments, resources for directors, funding. This is a really important one. They also provide your standards. This is just a really great tool for us, even as parents, as well as educators. If we can have a better understanding of the standards that our children are needing to learn, we can help that growth process a little bit more. And I just think that would be a great thing for us to start doing, is to be working towards those standards, both educators and parents. They also have teacher resources and special education resources. Special education resources can also be found over here under just the resources tabs as well. So there are a few different options as far as how to navigate this website. They have family support, which is great for families. They have got funding, these resources, standards, just several different things to help parents out in supporting their children. We've got the Head Start program, and then early childhood development, the challenging behaviors. This is an application as well. So is the Family Engagement Project. Over here on the resources, I would like to go to the special education resources and take a closer look at those. So this Mastering the Maze book, all of these are going to be PDFs that are going to help you in your special education processes. So you can click those and download those. You also have your frequently asked questions. I always encourage my parents to look at these because sometimes what you're wanting to know is something that someone else has already needed to know. So if you want to check those out, there might be a question that you've had that you can't get answers to that you might be able to find answers here, or someone else might have had a question that you didn't have, but you still can value their answer. Down here, we're going to have a video of some instruction. For the sake of time, I'm not going to show it to you, but if you would like to come back to it, it is under the special education resources. Here we have our COVID-19 resources. COVID-19 has become a large part of our society and our world because of its impact. And this website does a great job of providing resources for our parents and for us so that we can help our children be able to navigate through this time. We've got health and nutrition, child development, parenting, and early learning resources. All of these are great tools for us to use as parents, and we can also incorporate them into our classroom in the case of educators. It just really provides us with tools to be able to bring reality of the world to our students without things being quite so harsh. I'm going to go back to the home page. I really appreciate your time looking at this website with me. There are so many different things that it has to offer that are just great resources for you and me both. So I encourage you to take some time and look through when you have a minute and find what can help you and your child. Thank you so much.